Hey there, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty unboxing video. I'm Amy Harber. Here's all the fun places you can find me on social media. This is the June Target Beauty Box. I have some sad news. This is the very last Target Beauty Box that they offered before they discontinued the program, but it looks pretty bomb. So let's talk about the products. So hey y'all. The very last Target Beauty Box makes me sad because I really did enjoy this box. It was some higher end stuff mixed with some drugstore stuff. It was pretty awesome. And they had to go and ruin it by ending it. And they always had fun. They included a coupon, always told you what the products were and fun tips to play with them. Les sad. Another tragic loss of 2020. So we have a little sample of Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops from Bausch & Lomb. These suckers are the bomb. There's also a $2 coupon that's good until like the middle of 2021. They are so great. Like I had a whole bottle of them earlier from another box. This is just like a one-timer deal. So kind of bummed about that, but hey, still free eye drops. Then we have Honestly Fresh Sea Mineral Prebiotic Deodorant. It's non-aluminum, hypoallergenic, baking soda free. It's just very neat deodorant here. It'll be interesting. Oh, and it doesn't have that little plastic thing in it too. So very eco-friendly apparently. Then 10/10 Rose Polish Remover Wipes. They're biodegradable cloths with acetone and paraben free, so no acetone in them. So I won't be using them because my nails aren't real. So this is going into the giveaway pile, and I'm going to be having a couple giveaways. You're going to have to watch videos to find out which ones, I guess. Oh, look at me baiting and switching. Not really baiting. Well, baiting, but not switching. I am giving away. It's just you're going to have to watch a different video or Instagram post to find out which one. Yuni Travel Shower Sheet Body Wipe. Oh my God. I had a year ago this time. I was traveling through Australia, Los Angeles to Australia to New Zealand to Los Angeles and back to Chicago. And let me tell you, Chicago to Melbourne, Australia is like 24 hours of flying. I had one of these and it was a freaking lifesaver. I popped it open somewhere over the Pacific Ocean and in the laboratory, and it basically made me feel so fresh. Like I got off the plane not feeling like I had flown for like 20 plus hours stinky gross. It is so good. It like refreshes, it hydrates, it moisturizes. I highly recommend these if you do traveling long distance. Well, not right now because of COVID, but when we get back to traveling, I highly recommend these. Then Tanologist Sunless Tanning Drop Treatment. So basically, you take this little packet, you put it in like your face moisturizer, your regular lotion, you just mix it with whatever and it becomes a self-tanner. I'm excited to try it. I hope I don't end up with a bunch of orange streaks. I think I'm just going to use it on my face and we will find out. Apparently the more drops you use, the darker you get. I don't know how you're going to measure drops in a little packet like this, but I'll figure something out. Otherwise, I'm going to look orange and then I'll just do Donald Trump imitations. Yay. Rae Distress Capsules. It's supposed to be a mix of pure and powerful ingredients to help you calm your mind, fight mental fatigue, and focus in times of stress. But these statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. But I'm excited to try. There is a 5-day supply. Then finally, Waterless Instant Moisture Dry Conditioner, which I like better than dry shampoo because dry shampoo can dry out your hair, make it itchy and stuff. Dry conditioner actually tames frizz, flyaways. So put the dry shampoo on your scalp, put this on your ends. So important. And if you hear crunchy noise in the background, it's because my cat has decided to eat during this video. Anyway, that is the very last. Forget. Oh, it breaks my heart. This is where to find me, and like, subscribe wherever the little button is. Watch another video and stay beautiful.